Hi viewers, we will see how to fill up Imuga form in this video. Write Imuga in browser. You will find Travel Declaration Imuga Maldives Immigration. Go to Travel Declaration. Go to next page. You will find Traveling to Maldives or Departing from Maldives. In both cases, you have to fill the Imuga form. Click on Traveling to Maldives. You may upload scan copy of your passport, or you can type manually to upload your personal information. Click Skip Upload. Select nationality, your purpose of visit, it will be holiday, your personal details, first name, surname, your date of birth, your passport number, select port of entry, select your arrival date, mode of transport may be by air, your flight number, your duration of stay, most importantly where you will gonna stay. If you stay in Mafushi, then you select K Mafushi. Here you will find only the hotels situated in Mafushi. Select your hotel. Then proceed for next. Next. Then you should upload photo. The format will be JPEG or PNG and it cannot more than 3 megabyte. Submit. You will find your desired Imuga filled form and you can take a screenshot for your further references. Thank you for watching.